Hello, dear homemakers. Today we will be repairing the Samsung Gear IconX 2018 headphones. The problem is that one of the headphones barely plays. It is very hard to hear. The repair is going to be pretty simple, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to try is to remove the grill from the sick headphone. To do this, the first thing we do is remove the rubber ear mold and with something neat, in my case tweezers, pick up the grill, which is glued to the earpiece, and carefully remove it. As you can see, I've already removed the grill from the broken earphone and tested it, but the sound was still quiet. Many bloggers on YouTube claim that this grill is the problem. But it really isn't. So, let's get to the second stage of the repair. And the thing is that under this grill there is a white gasket. That's what muffles the sound. Probably the ear wax gets on it, clogs all the pores, all the grooves, and therefore the sound becomes very quiet. So we remove this white gasket and put the grill back in place. Now I'm going to do a test behind the scenes, and I'll tell you all about it. As I thought, it was the white gasket that was the problem. So we throw it away and proceed to further repair. As I noticed, this white thing was glued with rubber glue. So we take the rubber glue and carefully dab the rubber glue on the edge of the landing place and glue them back into the mesh. Dear viewers, do not consider it a labor to subscribe to my channel. Every new subscriber is important to me. You will greatly contribute to the development of the channel with your subscription. Thank you in advance. I want to draw your attention that under this main mesh inside the channel is another mesh. So if you are afraid that some dirt will get inside the earpiece, I think you should not worry because there is a double protection well. That's all. The work is done, and I hope the video was useful. And see you on the channel. Subscribe and give us a like.